Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative, Curious, Learning, and Living, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm giving you some cleaning motivation, some organizing, and decluttering. So as you can see, I am tackling some clothes and decluttering those. So this is my daughter's closet, and I really needed to get in here to declutter her clothes. She has outgrown a lot, and there's just a bunch of things in here that she's not really wearing. It's not really her style or the usual that we put on her. She is 3, and it is just so much easier to put the laundry away and not think about going in there and taking the clothes out that she's no longer wearing, because it's a big job. So finally getting this done. We recently got some new clothes in. We have a friend who will usually pass down her daughter's clothes as she grows out of them, and it's such a blessing. So some of those newer clothes were already in here, so we needed to go ahead and tackle getting rid of the clothes that my daughter was no longer wearing. So here we are, we're doing it, we're getting it done, and I'm going to be making 2 piles. So pile of clothes that I'm going to donate that she's either outgrown or just that she's not wearing, and then another pile for some of the boy clothes that got put in here that we thought she might wear just as play clothes that she could kind of wreck and not worry about, that were my boys. But now I'm putting them off to the side so that I can save them for my youngest, who will eventually grow into these clothes. So that is how I'm tackling this mess. And I also just wanted to go ahead and mention that this is a collab with Sunday Dawn over at the Helpful Home. Every Tuesday she puts on this collab called Tiny Tidy Tuesday. So a bunch of YouTube creators get together to tackle small messes, tiny tidies in their homes every Tuesday, and we bring you that to hopefully inspire you to tackle a small mess in your home, to make your home better for the week going forward. And yeah, we just want to help you feel not so overwhelmed this week and make you feel at ease with a tiny tidy. So I will have the playlist linked down below for you, and you can check out all of the cleaning motivation from all of the channels. And definitely check out Sunday Dawn's channel as well. She shares cleaning motivation from the heart and just has so much to offer and thoughtfulness over on her channel. I definitely am so inspired from her channel every time I watch a video, so you definitely don't want to miss her videos. And yeah, check out her channel. You will not be disappointed. But it definitely felt so good to get this task done. It took me about 15 minutes to just tackle every section, and then I had some empty bins before we put some clean laundry away. But these bins were just getting so stuffed, and I couldn't even put her laundry away. And so it was so good to get it done, clean it out, and get these items out of my home, donate them so that someone else can be blessed by them as well. I am very thankful for all of the clothes that my daughter has, and we definitely use them and go through them. But yeah, we definitely needed to go ahead and declutter and make it a little simpler in here for us. And there was a few things that my oldest had put away wrong, so I'm glad that I was able to get in here and fix some of that. My oldest likes to help and put things away, and I'm like, hey, take this to your brother's closet and put it here. Take this to your sister's closet. But he had put some of his brother's clothes in here as well. Oops, that's okay. Sometimes closets just need a mother's touch, and we need to get in there and tackle it and get it functioning way better. And it was definitely worth it in the end. And it's so good to finally tackle a mess that you haven't got to, but you know you need to. So I'm going to put on some music, and I will be back in a little bit. I will show you the piles and all of the items that I got to declutter and get out of our home. So stay with me and get some decluttering motivation for your week. that is going to finish off today's video. Here is the bag of clothes that I was able to declutter and the pile of clothes that I will be putting away for my youngest son, and then the bag of clothes are ready to go out the door. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to check out the playlist for more cleaning motivation down below in the description box. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.